Today, I'm going to introduce you to a supplement most of you likely discard, unaware of its tremendous value for your plants. Rich in nutrients, this supplement can significantly enhance the growth and health of your seedlings, vegetables, fruits, and flowers when used properly. It also improves soil structure, boosts water retention, and stimulates beneficial microorganisms in the soil. Stay with me until the end of the video, and I'll share how you can get it for free. Summer is here, and so are watermelons. Many of us enjoy eating watermelons, but did you know that watermelon rind is an excellent plant supplement? Particularly during the summer, its high water content helps maintain soil moisture, which is crucial during dry periods. Watermelon rinds are packed with essential nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, all vital for healthy plant growth. Here's how to create a magical solution using watermelon rinds. Wash the watermelon rind and cut it into small pieces. Blend the pieces with a bit of warm water. Prepare about 5 kilograms of this blended mixture. Dilute it with another 10 liters of water. For a stronger version, add 1 liter of compost tea if available. Let the mixture sit for about 48 hours before using it. After that, you can water your plants with this solution once or twice a month. Understanding why this natural supplement is so effective can further enhance its benefits. Watermelon rind contains nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, which are crucial for plant growth. Nitrogen supports leaf and stem growth, potassium aids overall plant functions, and phosphorus is essential for root development and flower and fruit production. Moreover, the organic matter in watermelon rind improves soil structure. When blended and mixed into the soil, it creates a loose, crumbly texture, allowing roots to penetrate easily and improving the soil's water retention capacity. I hope you found this video interesting. Please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.